Hey, everybody. Welcome back to Tip Thursday. I am your host, as always, Kat Milner. And today we're going to talk about something that I see tripping up people, business owners, coaches every single day. They are focused on getting visible, getting people to see them so that they can get more clients. So they're doing more posts, more marketing, more showing up. They're doing everything that they say that you should be doing. And often it feels like pushing a rock uphill because they're pushing that rock with everything they've got. And what happens is that they make some progress, then it rolls back, sometimes feeling like it rolls over them and squishes them. And I'll be honest, the problem usually is not the marketing. Very rarely is it their marketing. It's because their message is not clear to the people that they're trying to attract. Messaging and marketing are not the same thing. And today we're going to talk about that difference and why it matters for you. So, your messaging is your clarity underneath everything. It's about who you help, what you do, what changes for your clients, and why that matters. When those four things are clear, you have your messaging in place, not before. Marketing is how that message reaches more people. It's the different channels that you go on, the content you create, the visibility you want to have, posting ads, emails, all of that. That is marketing, how you get in front of people. Now, marketing amplifies what you already have. So if your message is clear, your marketing is going to really bring in those clients. But if your message is not clear, marketing just creates more confusion and puts more chaos in front of the people that you want to attract. And visibility, marketing does not fix an unclear message. It actually makes it worse. So, why are people getting this backward? Marketing is visible. You can measure it. It feels like you're doing something. It makes you feel like you're being really proactive. Messaging work is much harder to see. It's uncomfortable. It requires getting specific. It requires doing a lot of thinking about your ideal client, putting yourself in their shoes, and it's not really comfortable. And the belief underneath this is that, oh, if I get in front of enough people, the right ones will figure out that I'm for them. No. This is why it feels like pushing that rock uphill and progress doesn't hold. And some of the signs that you are trying to do marketing without clear messaging is that you're getting compliments, but no real inquiries. People are nice, but they're not quite the right fit. And you find yourself explaining what you do over and over and over. And it's difficult and you do it differently each time, trying to find that magic combination that'll make people go, oh, okay, I get it. I want to work with you. So, what happens when you get things done in the right order? Your content is easy because you know exactly who you're writing for and the difference that it'll make for them. When you're on a discovery call with someone, people arrive virtually pre sold. They say, this is what I need, take my money. It becomes that easy. Your marketing compounds. Each piece reinforces that same clear message. Trust builds with people and it makes them want to reach out more readily. Your business feels coherent instead of higgledy-piggledy. Everything connects. Your ideal client doesn't have to work out whether or not you're for them. They know immediately. Now, the full breakdown of what I'm talking about here is on this week's blog, including signs that your messaging needs work and exactly where to start. There's a reflection question at the end that's really worth sitting with. I highly recommend that you read the blog and sit with that question and answer it. The link is below. Go read it. If you're ready to get really clear on your messaging so that your marketing is more effective and your money is spent better on marketing, there's something at the end of the article, the blog for you too. And it'll also be in the show notes here. Thanks for joining me. I look forward to seeing you next time.